You can expect a lot from the 2019 Kia Sorento. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, turn signal indicator mirrors, and power windows. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.